I'm Cameron from Perth, Western Australia. I'm really excited to be starting my global MBA journey. Just thought I'd share a bit of background about myself. Currently, I work as a senior asset engineer for a leading power generation and retail company in Perth, Western Australia. I see this global MBA program as an opportunity to further my learning in leadership and management, which I'm really excited about. I think this particular program gives me an awesome opportunity to work with a great institution like the University of Manchester, which is on the other side of the world, while still working full-time. So I can do the online study in my own time and also do the intensive workshops. So my first one is tomorrow in Singapore. I just think it's great that I'll get to work with people with different backgrounds, different experiences from all over the world, which will give me a much broader perspective of management and leadership in the current world today, rather than just a localized version. So really excited to get started on the journey. I can't wait. Just leaving home now, on my way to the airport. Woo! It's 9:30, flight leaves at 12:20, so nice and early. I've got all my stuff packed in the car. I've downloaded a few of the lecture slides. I'm just passing the stadium now. Beautiful stadium. If you're ever in Perth, check it out. Yeah, downloaded all my slides and work materials, so I've got something to do on the flight. It's a 5.5 hour flight from Perth, so it gives me plenty of time to kind of read through some notes. Just get my head in the right space for the upcoming workshops. Bye. So it's 10:55, just at the gate now, waiting to board, so I just it's Cameron from Perth again. Made it to the hotel in one piece. Got the train from the airport, it was pretty good, straightforward. So I've checked in, it's 8:30 now, ordered some dinner, room service, and then I'll have my food, then have a shower and probably get to bed. It was a big day. The plane was delayed out of Perth. There's some problems with the nose wheel. I had to put some lubrication on it, but the flight was pretty smooth. Got a lot of reading done for the OCV course. Got through a lot of the textbook with marketing management. Read a few chapters of Halo Effect, so yeah, pretty productive. But I'm pretty tired now, so just gonna have my dinner and get to bed. Just at the hotel, just had breakfast. Gonna go for a bit of a walk around the bay, checking out the breakfast settle, maybe go have a coffee, and then come back and do a bit more study. Just out and about now, out of the hotel, having a wander around. It's pretty toasty. It's not too bad. Bit of humidity, but it's not actually too hot. Yeah, pretty nice, but pretty nice surrounds. Got the San Marinas Bay Hotel there behind us. Got the CBD, and then just walk past. I think it's like the National Gallery there. It's pretty nice. So yeah, very pretty city. So I just got back from lunch. I went for a walk. I think it was about 1 kilometre away to a food court. So I'm just going to finish topic 3 on leading and managing. This morning I did all the pre-read for the simulation project, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then the other unit on unit 1 on operationalising and communicating value. I'm pretty close to finishing that unit 1 as well. So I'll probably finish off the reading for that this afternoon, and then head to the welcome event. So looking forward to meeting some new people and checking out the premises. So yeah, it should be a good night. Just about to head to the welcome event. So I'm about, I think it's about a 1 stop on the train. So I'm just going to walk to City Hall, jump on the train, 1 stop, get off at Raffles and walk down. So I think the uni is just in that building because that's so Singapore. Just lao past that. I'm not sure how you say that, but that was a eatery recommended to one of my colleagues who's from Singapore. So I have to check that out one day. It's right next door. It's good.
I think we're very good at pandering to what's correct.
Yeah.
For example, the arrow is focused, so you need to be really focused and try to filter out all the noise when you're studying and distraction.
Hey, how you doing? Just about to head off to day 1 of the workshops. So the first day is on the simulation project. So last night went really well. Had the welcome event at the uni, which was really cool. Met a few new people. Then head home, went to bed. Went to the gym this morning and had breakfast. So yeah, it's about 20 to 8. So I'm going to take off, get there a bit earlier. Maybe grab a coffee on the way. And yeah, looking forward to day 1. Exciting.
Or you can put it in your beer if you want. Alright. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
Just at the airport, about to fly back to Perth. Workshop done. Our assessment done this morning, so that was the first cab off the rank. And yeah, it was just an awesome experience. Got to work with someone from Portugal, Jakarta, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Korea. There's just people from all over the world. There's a guy from Armenia as well. Yeah, so just a huge mix of people. The content was awesome. I liked the style. The lecturer was like really open to discussions, and just the background, like industry. I'm an engineer, but I was working with guys from finance, from marketing, oil and gas, all these different industries, just come together to try and solve problems. So yeah, found it awesome. So yeah, highly recommend. But yeah, my flight leaves in about an hour, so get ready to board and then fly back to Perth. Hey, it's Cameron. I'm back in Perth now. First set of workshops done. It's a big week. I'm pretty tired. Flew in this morning, landed about 5:30 and got home, just kind of relaxed for a bit. And now it's time for bed. But I just wanted to share my thoughts. I had a awesome first week. Met a ton of great people from all over the world, and had a great lecturer. So yeah, it was really awesome. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, can't wait to get back there in February. But yeah, for now, catch you later.